Hello there, this is White Paper Cat, and we're going to be doing a review on TempleOS. TempleOS was a operating system developed by one guy named Terry Davis, and unfortunately he's no longer with us. He went through some tough times, and he had a mental illness, and let's just say what happened to him was, it was quite dark, but anyways, this was something that he developed himself. Everything right down to the compiler, and he even created his own programming language for it. So, I'm just kind of wrapping my head around this all, so please bear with me if I make a couple of mistakes here and there. So, basically, this is his own programming language is called Holy C, and yes, he was a very Terry was a very religious man, so you're gonna see a lot of like religious references in this operating system. Supposedly, God told him to create this operating system. It's not really practical for anything, but it is good for like just tinkering around. I've noticed it's like the ultimate hobbyist operating system with my experience with playing around with it so far. I've been currently trying to teach myself the programming language behind it. Like I said, I'm still having a hard time, but basically to start editing a file or creating a file, basically this is what you do. Type in that and I don't know, let's edit something that I made earlier that I tried to make in Holy C. It's not really much to it. So, there, HC, oops, I don't want to do that, dot Z, and then, yes, you have to do this every time you want to edit something or change something around. So, basically this is a very simple program in Holy C. Yes, instead of typing print like you'd have to do in BASIC, all you have to do is actually type the string in quotations and then N for new line and then a semicolon at the end of it. I don't know how to do if statements or user input yet, so, and if you want to run this program, you simply hit F5. Oops. Oop, I think I might have crashed it. Did it crash? Yeah, I think I just crashed it. Oop. Why is it everything always mess up on me when I'm doing a recording? Especially when I'm trying to, like, do a review on an operating system in VirtualBox. So, autocomplete, and okay, so we want to open the menu here and show you an example of some of the stuff that he wrote himself, like some example applications. So we'll open the menu here. Oh, no, that's being unresponsive. There we are. So, these are, you know, stuff that you can play, Excalibur being one of them. So, not exactly something, you know, that's very high quality, but it's not the whole point or purpose of what he's trying to do. Now let me show you something interesting about what you can do with TempleOS. So, if you go into the applications, go to the game for an example, and if you were to peek at the code itself, and you were to scroll down a little bit, you can actually see the sprites inside the script. So that was the game that I was just playing recently. If we go down far enough, we can probably see some more. Well, maybe this is not exactly a good example. Alright, so maybe that's how you do an if statement. If well facing sun next blah 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 blah. Okay, so this has if-else statements, and you gotta use these brackets. So pretty much you could change whatever you want, and just hit F5 and it'll compile it and run it. Pretty much. What else? Let's go to budget. So basically, if I were to hit F5 right now, this will run whatever this is, which obviously not really anything. Oops, it's gotta be capital C. Let's see if this will work. I never tried this before. Probably not. And yeah, it does actually. It does. It does indeed work. Oops. I need... It's gotta be a semicolon. It has to be semicolon. Damn it. I did the same mistake again. How'd that get in there? How did... I must have accidentally created that or something. That's okay, I can just delete that using del and maybe not. And delete. No. I think I might have deleted something I probably shouldn't have. Oh well. It's just a virtual machine anyways. I mean, if I break something, I could just reinstall it and load up another machine. But anyways, that is my overview of TempleOS.